Hello, everyone. Welcome to a very special episode of the Quiver Podcast. It is the UP Maroons edition. Hello, guys. Welcome. Why are we doing this episode? We did this Quiver Podcast as a way to, help fans like us, support, follow the team more. We noticed, guys. We've noticed that other schools have their own podcast, too, which is great. But since that game three ended, I don't think our UP friends have seen their episodes released yet, right? If I'm not mistaken.
Malay mo naman kasi ano yun, may very extenuating
Baka
circumstances
busy
silang
lang
hindi
sila.
sila
Busy. Christmas season, Christmas party, Christmas shopping,
Bakasyon.
traffic.
Baka may hangover pa sila, mga Christmas party.
Pero pupusta
Traffic.
ako,
So,
champion sila.
Pray.
That same day, man.
I'm sure. And I'm sure had they won game three, it would have been exactly the same.
Oo.
Diba? So we completely understand. So in the spirit of Christmas, in the spirit of giving, of Lasallian generosity,
Tayo nagagawa na
we'll be helping. We will help you out. Yes, exactly, Vic. We will create the special episode for you UP fans since wala pa kayong episodes to watch. Okay? All right.
Fine, we'll do it ourselves.
So, to kick off this UP Maroons Quiver edition, Brian, what's your favorite Maroon 5 song?
Gusto ko yung medyo bagal sa mood eh. Misery.
Willie?
Ako, ano yan? Not coming home. Please, not coming home.
Won't go home without you. Di ba
Won't go home
yun
without
yata
you.
Yeah.
Yun yung sagot ko eh. Nunahan ako Yun yung sagot ko eh. Meron pa ako. Tama. Sige. Yun.
What's yours, Vic?
Payphone. Trying to call home. Payphone. Payphone ako, pare.
you.
Dedicated kay Jacob.
Okay, guys. Let's get to the game three of the AP Finals. UP losing to LaSalle. I guess LaSalle played harder in this game. That was the difference there. Vic, where did UP fall short in this game?
I think yung binabanggit natin I think yung fear naman natin buong season was from the Lasal side, ang fear natin is magkakasabay-sabay gagawa. I mean, all good games si Remogat, si Alarcon, and si Abadiano. Yun naman yung fear natin eh. Lahat sila sabay-sabay mag-explode eh. And buong season, correct me if I'm wrong, buong season and until this final series, hindi natin siya nakita. So, I mean, for all that scoring talent na if I'm a UP fan, yun yung inaasahan ko sana makita from those players. And they unfortunately hindi siya nangyari. So may games na may hindi nagpapakita yung isa, may games na nagpapakita yung isa. Parang walang consistency who takes the walang consistency who takes the scoring cudgels. Yun, I think yun yung pwede kong masabi why they lost the final series altogether.
We lost. Why we lost, Vic? We're doing the job. Why we lost the final series tayo ngayon? We're doing the job. Why we lost? Ay, sorry. Yeah.
Yun naman sagot ko eh. Parang I will always go back to that na got so many
Brian,
players
what do you think?
na gagawa dapat for us pero walang nangyayari.
May solution ako dyan. Kung last season kumuha tayo sa Recto, baka dapat next season sa Moraita naman tayo kumuha.
Nauna na nga eh. Nauna
Kuha na nga tayo sa Moraita, Willie.
Nauna na.
Dagdagan pa.
Kulang pa.
Ayun,
Kulang.
Kulang
Oh,
pa.
si Mongkopa.
Pero-
Kailangan natin kunin si Mongkopa.
Pero, Brian-
sakto rin naman season for Christmas shopping ngayon.
Brian, looking at this UP team, we know they lost key players from last year. They started off 0-2, but still made the finals, still was the number 2 seed. What can you say about the kind of talent they had, that Maroon 5, that core of non-boys coming into the and playing their fast that last year for UP?
Paano ba? May stability sila eh, with that core. Sorry, may stability tayo
Yeah.
with that core. Ano? Ang hirap mag-acting. Tignan nyo,
Oo, hirap
tinatawag yung
mag-acting,
best actor si
pare.
Mike Phillips.
Hirap talaga.
Ano? Kailangan
We
namin
have to
kausapin si Mike kung paano mag-acting.
Oo nga. Buhatin ka namin ni Willie off the court eh. Para si Vic mag-free-throw.
Yung mga free throw! Yung mga
Oo.
free throw!
Pare, ako nagtitira ng video
Yeah,
para
but-
sa'yo.
Buhatin ka namin palabas. Oo.
Higa mo na ako! Higa mo na ako!
Oo.
But yeah, going back to that tune, the talent pool is stable within UP. So, at the end of the day, we saw na reliables naman yung pinuntahan ng coaching staff. Ang nagbago lang ay si Noruka at si Remogat, who undoubtedly, kung wala naman sila, I don't know how far they would have gone kasi iba rin naman yung contributions nila. But at the end of the day,
Yeah.
we saw kahit si Baila na, alam mo yun, sinasabi nila na stopper ni Jacob Cortez, hindi siya masyado na-consider nung fourth quarter kasi nga, ito na
Yeah.
yung relatives ni Coach Gold eh, sina Torres, Alarcon, Badian, and I think Miss may flack kung hindi niya na-finield sila kasi final game din nila yan eh. So, parang ganun ang nakita ko.
Yeah. It really for UP to win this game, they really needed a complete effort from everyone to contribute to match the South's firepower, right? And it was Rema got Mocha, Lucas, but we were missing the rest of the players to really deliver on that. And one thing you said, right, si Jacob Baila, the Jacob stopper, Bully, they said, do you think there was an issue there when they went box and one? UP wasn't able to put Baila on Jacob as much and really created space for everyone with Kian there. Do you think that was something that we had to solve to win that game 3?
Ako coming from our game 2 win, syempre it worked for us. So, syempre let's continue to do it, no, sa game 3 kaso there's only so much na we could do na in the first 2 games we were all expecting Mike to take up the cudgels, no, for scoring for Lasal, pero ineffective siya. So we all thought na baka ganun pa rin naman siya coming into game 3, pero Mike came out aggressive and then even had timely contributions then from the other Lasal players na they were really able to balance the scoring and contributions among all. So parang I think we only continued that defensive scheme in the first half. Second half we just reverted back to shifting the zones and man to man na talagang ayun.
Yeah. Vic, let's talk about legacies here. Because we're number one in Final Four appearances. We're number one in Final Four appearances we're number one in Final Four appearances since the pre-pandemic. We're number one in produced coffee books without championships.
It's the post-Island Cove era.
Yeah, can you talk about this success, and is it enough for Gold and team to call it a legacy? Is 2 championships and 5 finals a good enough standard for UP, given what they've invested?
Sige. Sige, kung ako maayos na tao, hindi ko na sabihin kung may kinakampihan ako or wala. It's not a good investment. Two championships in 5 years with the amount that was spent since 2017, no? Parang hindi siya okay. Kumbaga, we need to do better kung anong area siya. Dami kasi ako ang ano ko dito is that this year ang bigs lang talaga na maaasahan mo si ano lang talaga, Noruka lang talaga. Siya lang. Gani is okay pero hindi ko if quality big din yung kalaban natin sa kabila. Hindi ko rin siya maaasahan talaga eh. Then after that, si Sean Alter, wala din eh. So, I think that's one area na we can address going to season 89. I mean, dapat magkaroon pa tayo ng help sa front court. Miles is there to probably replace Noruka for season 89. Pre will also be a big help sa front court natin come season 89. So baka maging okay na yan para makatulong kay Gani.
All right. Brian, so let's talk here. I think UP are one of the favorites next year with all these reinforcements coming into the team. So unbiased, I think they're really a strong contender to bounce back next year.
Oh naman. They should be up there. Just looking at the talent, they have a lot to UP has a lot to call on when it comes to just the players in different positions. We know si Nati Makulangan, si Ogana, si Maga, Payosing, of course, Company Jacob,
Yeah.
VJ Pre, Miles. Alam mo yung nasa current lineup ng UP ngayon na hindi masyado nakakuha ng minutes. They have to ask themselves din about fighting for their place. Kasi by the looks of things, alam ko marami rin mawawala sa UP. Lima or more, I'm not sure. 5 yung sure ata eh. But beyond that, hindi tayo sure na makikita pa natin yung ibang naka-lineup currently. Medyo similar situation sila sa atin nung nawala sina Josh, CJ, Raven na hindi rin sure na lahat nung nandun that we saw, yung kay na Rubico, kay na diba? Ganun, similar boat sila sa Lasal next year. And yun, may hunger din. So, I really see that on paper, UP will contend, but the question siguro, especially with Coach Gold, is how will he manage players coming from different backgrounds, different talent pools, different roles established. So, yan ang tatrabuhin nila before September.
Tama.
That's a
Agree yan.
coaching staff ng UP.
Yeah.
Yan yung nakikita kong
Yeah.
problem.
All right. To cap off this episode, Willie, at the end of the game, I think UP showed their true togetherness, their true fighting spirit. They had the pep talk from the team,
The middle of
from one of their most ardent supporters. Ba yun, yung nag-pep talk or iba? And what can you say about the speech?
Bro, you don't
Sino ba yan?
disrespect my man like that. You don't disrespect Secretary of the Interior and Local Government, John Vic Remulla.
Pero kinahiya, kina-call out yun eh. Di ba kinahiya dapat? Yun daw yung malas. Sponsorships tayo. Huwag ka ganyan, Willie ha. Huwag ka ganyan.
Alam mo talaga tayo, yung crowd talaga natin, fractured tayo eh. Alam mo yun, kailangan tanggapin na, we need to accept. We need to accept. Tanggapin na natin kung sino ba talaga nagpapatakbo sa team natin. Sino ba nag-control ng team natin.
No, Willie. When we cheer, ikulong na yan when we cheer, ikulong na yan mga kurakot. We mean it, Willie. We mean it. That's what we mean. We are sincere. We mean it.
Cheer natin yan. It's not us. It's the other team. It's the other team.
Sila lang. Mahina siya.
Sila lang.
Immune ng bubble.
Okay. So, alright. So, guys, the season did not end where it wanted to be. But it was still a good showing. Nowhere to go but because the most successful team, the team of the decade in the UAAP. So congratulations to us. So we would like to thank our podcast partners, the Robina Corporation, BPI, to being our boys.
Top breed, Palawan.
Palawan.
And of course,
Top breed.
And of course, in the state of Cavite for your always support. Thank you. Drop by their office for special prize.
Help support
their prize. Help support their athletes. So guys, to sign off today's episode.
Para marami pang kusang lumipat.
Yeah. So
Kung
guys,
lumapit pala.
to sign off to this episode, for us to do introductions, I'm Kiko. I love the fishballs in UP. Willie.
I'm Willie. Sobrang mahangin dito. Masarap dito mag-aral. Mahangin dito, mahangin.
Vic.
I love Rodix.
Brian.
Masarap mag-jogging sa UP.
All right. So thank you for listening to this special episodes. We just wanted to help you guys out since wala pa. I know you're hungry for content. So we help you guys in the spirit of Christmas. We'll see you again, guys, next season. Congratulations for a good fight in the finals. And as we always say, animo!
UP.
UP fight!